Hello, everyone. I thought that I'd take some time and clarify something which may be confusing a few of you, and it is regarding the accounts that you're using within Google Chrome. We all have at least 2 accounts now in Google, and if you're not in the right account, if you're not signed into the right account, then you can run into problems trying to enter Google Classroom and other apps, web apps from Google. So just to give you a brief overview, first of all, every single window has an account which can be associated with it. So I'm in Google Chrome right now. My web browser is Google Chrome. This is my window, right? And I can open a new window by going to File and clicking this right here, New Window, or I can hit Command N in my case because I have a Mac, or you can, in your case, if you have a PC, you can hit Control N and you'll get a new window, right? That's different from a tab. And if you create a new tab, tabs, by the way, can be created by pressing Control T. Now, there can be many tabs within one window. Each tab will have the same account associated with it. So what am I talking about? These are the accounts I'm talking about right here. So these 2 little circles, these icons that I can click, will let me know what account I'm using. So in this case, it's my Colegio Lumen.edu.py account. This is my institutional account, the one we should be using going forward in Google Classroom and the other Google apps. So in order to access the new Google Classroom, the new institutional one, you will have to make sure that your account says this in your window. And notice how if I open a new tab, it'll be the same thing, right? They're all the same. Every single tab in a window, right, has the same account associated with it. Now, if I don't want that, let's say I'm in my personal account, right? So this is my personal account now. And this is the one that I created when I was doing the instructional videos. What I can do if I don't want to be in this, again, if I open up a new tab, it's going to be the same thing. This is the wrong account now if I want to get into the new classroom. So what I can do is I click this icon so that I can sign out of all accounts. Okay, so that will sign out of all accounts in this window. Okay. And it gives me the option to sign in again. I don't want to, but what I do want to do is I want to sign in. I want to sign in with another account. So in this case, I'm going to sign in using my institutional account, and that may take me to a new tab. Okay, so now, again, if I want to sign in, I can click the sign in button and it will ask me which one I want to sign in with. It's giving me the one as a suggestion that I actually want. If it doesn't say this, then I can just type it in. And obviously I have to put in my username, my password, and then I should be in. And now if I go into Google Classroom, I should be in the correct classroom. Right. Okay, so this is the one that you need to be using. Again, if you're having trouble accessing something, it may be because you're in the wrong account. You can't merge the 2 accounts. Google has to keep them separate because they are 2 separate accounts with 2 separate email addresses. The only thing you can do, again, is sign out of one and sign into another, or just open up a new window and sign in with that account. Hopefully this clarifies. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, keep up the good work and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.